This video took me more time than I thought it will. We have brought this baby to life. It's now running OS X Mojave, and this is 2009 MacBook Pro. Also, we've updated the thermal compound for liquid metal, and we updated the SSD drive. I've originally planned this video to be like one video. So since there was too many complications, this video got too long. And I decided to split it in 3 videos. One will be the hardware update, second one will be making the bootable USB drive, and the third and easiest is installing OS X Mojave on your MacBook. I hope this update will work for you as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. So, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.